Just think pouring your heart and soul into crafting beautiful, handmade jewelry, each piece unique, each design a work of art, only to see potential customers leave your website without buying a single thing. Frustrating, right? That's exactly what happened to this online jewelry store. Despite hundreds of visitors daily, sales were painfully low. The bounce rate was through the roof, and conversions, barely a trickle. The owner was desperate for a solution before her ad budget ran dry. If you're running ads without the right audience strategy, you could be wasting thousands of dollars, just like she was. Don't make the same mistake. So, what did she do? She discovered a powerful tool hidden inside Facebook ads, one that transformed her results almost overnight. Stick around because today, we're not just telling her story, we're showing you step by step how to use custom audiences to turn clicks into customers. The problem was simple but deadly. People visited her website but didn't stay long enough to buy. Her ads were reaching the wrong audience, cold traffic that wasn't ready to convert. Every dollar spent on those ads felt like throwing money into the wind. At Dreamy Digital, we specialize in transforming online sales with smart, data-driven strategies. If you're tired of pouring money into ads that don't convert, it's time to stop guessing and start using Facebook custom audiences to laser target your hottest prospects. Don't get left behind while your competitors dominate. Hit the like button and subscribe to Dreamy Digital for the latest tips on Facebook ads, marketing automation, and scaling your business. So, what exactly was going wrong for this handmade jewelry store? The ads were getting plenty of clicks. Traffic wasn't the issue, but clicks don't pay the bills. Conversions do. And here's where the big mistake was made. She was targeting a cold audience, people who had no connection with her brand, no website visits, no cart interactions, no engagement history, just random shoppers who had no reason to trust or buy. Without a tailored strategy, her budget was being wasted on people who weren't ready to purchase. Every hour spent without retargeting is an opportunity lost. Competitors are already using custom audiences to bring back visitors and convert them into loyal customers. Why aren't you? In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through creating your own custom audience strategy that stops ad waste and skyrockets conversions. So what was the price of her mistake? Let's talk numbers. For every $100 she spent on ads, barely $5 came back in revenue, a 5% return. Her bounce rate, 75%. 3 out of 4 visitors left without even browsing past the homepage. That's not just poor performance, it's a budget killer. The worst part? She had no idea why it wasn't working. When you target a cold, random audience without a strategy, it's like throwing money into a black hole. You might get traffic, but conversions? Almost zero. And while your competitors retarget the same people who already know, trust, and want to buy from them, you're left chasing strangers who don't care. That's the fastest way to lose your ad spend. Now let's talk about how she turned everything around and started seeing real results with one game-changing move. Custom audiences. This Facebook ads feature lets you re-engage people who are already familiar with your brand, whether they visited your website, added products to their cart, or engaged with your social media posts. Just imagine targeting only people who browsed your handmade jewelry but didn't buy, reminding them of that perfect necklace they left behind. Or reaching out to Instagram users who liked your posts with a personalized offer. That's how you take control of your sales funnel. And here's the best part. When she started using custom audiences, bounce rates dropped by 30%. Cart abandonments shrank, and her conversion rate tripled in just 1 month. Same product, same website, a smarter audience strategy. Now I know you are curious about knowing the steps, so don't miss the next part of this video where I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up custom audiences and start converting traffic into real sales. Let's dive in. Now that you've seen how custom audiences saved this handmade jewelry business, it's time to break down exactly how you can do it too. Don't worry, this isn't complicated. It's about working smarter, not harder, with Facebook's powerful tools right at your fingertips. First, you need to install the Facebook Pixel on your website. Think of it like a little spy that tracks who visits, where they go, and what they do. Every visitor adds data to your toolkit, turning random traffic into potential sales opportunities. Now, create your first custom audience. Head to Facebook Ads Manager and click on Create Audience. Choose Custom Audience. This is where the magic happens. You're going to tell Facebook exactly who you want to target. Select Website Visitors to retarget people who already checked out your products but didn't buy. Want to go further? Use Engagement Audiences to target people who interacted with your Facebook or Instagram posts. Now segment your audience. So, let's get specific. You can create a separate audience for cart abandoners, those who were so close to buying but left. Or segment by homepage visitors who browsed but didn't take action. Each group gets its own tailored message to maximize impact. That's exactly what was happening to this jewelry Tarson. Let's design personalized ads. Here's where the magic touches your customers directly. Create ads that feel personal, like reminding cart abandoners about their favorite item with a free shipping offer or a limited time discount. Use visuals they've seen before so it feels familiar and irresistible. Now create lookalike audiences with its bonus power move. Want to scale even faster? Facebook lets you find lookalike audiences, people who are just like your best customers. Imagine reaching thousands more who are likely to fall in love with your jewelry. For the jewelry store, this process transformed everything. What used to be wasted clicks turned into repeat customers and skyrocketing sales. It's proof that the right strategy makes all the difference. Now you have the blueprint. What are you waiting for? You've poured your blood, sweat, and tears into creating jaw-dropping, handcrafted jewelry. Each piece a masterpiece, each design a perfect blend of passion and artistry. You imagine customers scrambling to grab your creations, but instead, visitors fled your site only to vanish without so much as a glance at your checkout page. It's like they didn't even notice your masterpiece. Crushing, right? Store. Hundreds of visitors, but sales? Barely a blip. Bounce rates were soaring. Conversions, non-existent. With every dollar spent on ads slipping away, the owner was hanging by a thread, desperate for a game changer. Time was ticking, and if something didn't shift fast, her dream was about to go under. If you're stuck in the same boat, here's the ultimate priority list that could save your business from the brink. Stop throwing money at the wrong crowd. Targeting random strangers is like fishing without bait. Zero interest, zero sales. Bring back the almost buyers. Retarget people who already wanted your jewelry. They're primed and ready to buy, if you give them a reason to return. Make your ads personal. Don't just throw generic offers at people. Customize your message so it feels like it's just for them. This isn't just advice. It's the lifeline that could turn your ad spend into real sales. Get this right, or risk wasting your budget and your dreams. If this tutorial gave you the spark to rethink your Facebook ad strategy, hit that like button, subscribe to Dreamy Digital, and let's keep scaling your business together. Success is just one smart audience away.